I open it.
Oh.
Is this a big one? What? Look at me.
Another one, Santa. Another one, Solomon. Solomon.
What's in there? Okay, look. Can you go put this under the? Put this under the.
Oh, that's a cat.
What's that do?
That's a cat.
Let's see what he does. I know he does something. Let Mommy fix it. Mommy gotta fix it. Let's see.
Another friend. That's a.
Oh my God, are you ready? Santa Claus coming to town? You dance? Oh, a cup. Nanny got you a cup. Yeah. Come here, let me wipe your nose. Come here. Let's get your nose. Here, let me see that. Can you dance? You dance? No, we don't open those. We'll eat your dinner on there, okay? Hey, we open those. Let me see. Let me see that. Thank you. Hey, can you put that under the tree? That's, ow, careful. Here, hold right there. Can you go put that under the tree for me? Uh-oh. There we go. Put it right there. All right. All right. Can you see what's in there? Wait. What's this? You want to see what this does? What's a Santa hat?
Yeah.
Wait, I do it. I gotta do it. I gotta fix it, okay? That's a polar bear. Let me see what he does. Can I see him?
Yeah.
Look, watch this. Ready? Ready? You better be ready. He's about to dance. I gotta turn him on. Ready? Ready? See what he does.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello
to friends you know and everyone you meet. Look, can you put this under the tree? Can you put that under the tree? Yeah, grab it. Go. Sir wants for me, have a holly jolly Christmas. When you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Look at that. Look at the camera. Say thanks, Nanny.
Thanks, Nanny.
You like that?
Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet.
Is he singing?
The mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you. Kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you
Didn't hear, Oh, by golly, have a holly. We gotta put the, we gotta put this under the tree. This is Brody's. It's a Brody's present from Nanny. Yeah, from Nanny. Let's see what else we got in there. Alright, this is Mommy's. Put that over there.
That's the Brody's.
Let's see what else. Put that under the tree. We open it at Christmas, don't we?
That's Christmas.
Santa Claus. Put it over there.
No. Yay. Saba.
You like this? You like the polar bear?
Yeah.
He sings, doesn't he?
Ready? Ready? And Saba.
You ready?
Ready?
Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know.
Here, let's see what else we got in there. Come on. Mommy's camera ain't gonna last very long. Alright, that's Mommy's present. What's that? Let's see. Brody's? Let's see. That's Brody's. Oh, wait. Hang on, I'll do it. Yeah. Oh, Mommy do it. Mommy do it. Well, Nanny, that one's open already. That one's already open. I see what's in there. What's in there? Nanny got us a blanket. Look, it's open.
Does it open?
You open it, it's already open. You might as well just open it.
Yeah, open.
Just open. What's in there, Nanny? It open? Look. Wow, that one's already open. Well, we gonna... Whoa! What'd you say to Nanny?
Thank you, Nanny.
Yeah. Whoa, man. I like these. That's pretty. We got us a new blanket. Okay, tell Nanny, say the camera's almost dead.
Camera dead.
Say, but thank you. Look, do this for Mommy. Look, stand right there. Do like this for Mommy. Go like this, go. Nanny the best.
Nanny best.
Yeah.
Nanny just got a blanket.
Yeah, Nanny got a blanket.
That's your blanket.
Yeah, well, you look, you don't see it. Look right there. Oh, Nanny got us a quilt for our bed. That is so nice. We needed one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, show Nanny. Did we needed one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell Nanny bye-bye. Say this wish.
Thank you, Nanny.
Yeah. Thank you, Nanny.